Kameglaya Board of School Education embos hak arpun rutrik jemang arhajar arpuar kalapir menaik result jong eksamen Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate neka Class 12 Science but Commerce. Haga bagi kena jong Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School Kilawan Shakhmat Haga Science kat bagi kena jong St Anthony's Higher Secondary School Kilawan Shakhmat Haga Commerce. Gyanesh Roy Bhomik jong Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School ulayo kekerdan menengkong Haga Science kadbau Rishi Sarkar jong Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School Ulawan Baar bad Uchetna Bos jong Don Bosco College Tura Ulawan Balai. Haka Commerce pat ya kekerdan menengkong layo dekaria karpran jong St Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong Emerin Karpran jong St Edmunds High Secondary School, baru Keshaf Agarwal jong Don Bosco College Tura, Kilawan Baar, kadbau Chirag Deb jong Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School, Ulawan Balai. Haka Commerce kiladon arhajar sopu nyungut blele eknek eksamen, bat kibela pas, kidan syihajar nyus pakat arngut. Kata kejing pas kalong, prapulai poin hendreulai nek sispa. Kadbah Haka Science keblele ek eksamen kidan arhajar kendai spa prapuai ngut, bat kibela pas kidan arhajar sispa lai pesan ngut. Kata kejing pas kalong nyopuai poin hendreu nak sispa.
I'm feeling very much blessed. I'm very much happy and a little excited and surprised as well because I did not expect myself to be the topper. But every credit goes to my teachers. Like whatever I have done today, it's an outcome of their efforts, their hard work that they have put in, me. And second, I would like to congratulate each and every student who has got his result today. And I'm very much thankful to Almighty for keeping me healthy, safe throughout this period of my preparation. And of course, I cannot forget my parents. They were the main people behind this. There were days when I did not feel like studying, and I felt a bit sad. Maybe my test did not go well, or maybe my course is not completed. Then they were the people who kept me motivated. And I feel that for every student this is very much important that you get a good atmosphere, good environment at home, in your compound, like a competitive environment and an environment which keeps you charged up. You get you constantly get that motivation to do well. It's very much important.
So what are your plans now?
Okay, no, like there's no concrete plan, but I hope to I see myself in a good position after 10 years, where through my actions, through my work, I can contribute something to the society. I can change this.
What make you work harder to become the first position holder in science field?
Yeah, it's very true that I was the 9th rank holder in SSLC. So I stay in Lower Lumparing, and the MLA here is Basanbor. So he gifted me a laptop for my success, and this kept me motivated, kept me boost. Provided this boost, provided me this encouragement to do well, and here's the result.
What are your message to the other students?
To the other students, like, yes, it's very much important that you work hard, because without hard work nothing can be achieved. And second, I'll say that you must have a very good strategy, because without strategy, if you just put in your hard work, this is not gonna lead you anywhere, because it's very much important to have a good strategy, and proper execution is important. Like, I've seen students having a very good strategy but they cannot execute it, and this is in vain, like it's pointless. And last, what I feel that everybody must perform well.
First of all, I feel very surprised because I didn't expect actually to get in the second position. And I feel obviously there's a sudden happiness, what do you call it? Because since I didn't expect it. And I'm very grateful for everyone. All of them I cannot name now, but my teachers, my parents, I'm very grateful to them. I'm planning to do engineering. That's the reason why I joined science. Because I like more of practical. I don't like theory actually. Who likes theory, na? I want to do practical work. That's why I plan to do engineering. Study. Those who are determined, you can do anything. Have confidence in yourself. I know it's every time you cannot keep hope. Sometimes you'll feel low, but you have to get up. Don't let your mind control you. Okay? The internet is a very big gift. The internet is a boon, you can say. No? The internet You can use the internet. You can find everything in the internet, from top to bottom. The syllabus. If you didn't understand any topic, you can understand from the internet. Just use it wisely. That's it.
Like I'm really happy. I don't know how to react to this. Honestly I didn't expect such a result. So yeah, really happy that my hard work and dedication paid off. During COVID times, it was quite difficult for us as everything was going on through online mode. But our teachers were really helpful, and so we managed to cope up things. Like it was quite difficult, but still we tried to cope up and manage all the things. So yeah.
What are your future plans?
I'm planning to pursue BCom for the timing, and I'm planning to pursue MBA.